Here's a deep technical exploration of a component that mostly works behind the scenes, until failure makes it impossible to ignore. The focus is on a fuel injection pump compatible with K38, K50, KTA38, KTA50 diesel engines, reference part numbers 3,632,513 and 3,075,537. The objective: break down how it operates, why it's critical, what features matter, the installation process, performance expectations, and potential pitfalls. To begin, this component is fundamental to a diesel engine's operation. Its purpose is to pressurize diesel fuel, meter an exact volume at each cycle, and deliver that fuel to the injectors at precisely the right moment. If this device isn't working properly, the entire fuel delivery system goes out of balance, leading to rough idling, surges, hesitation, excess smoke, and sometimes failure to start. This model is offered as compatible with the KTA engine families, namely K38, K50, KTA38, KTA50. The inclusion of both part numbers, 3,632,513 and 3,075,537, suggests it aims to match OEM references in catalogs. However, compatible is not a guarantee of flawless function. Real-world performance depends on details. Let's dig into expected design and build criteria. Externally, the housing should be sturdy, resisting vibration, corrosion, heat, and mechanical stress. Internally, critical components like plungers, pistons, valves, and internal passages must be machined with very tight tolerances. Any clearance or misalignment could allow leakage or pressure drop. All sealing components, O-rings, gaskets, seals, should use materials compatible with diesel and able to endure thermal cycling, pressure, and chemical exposure. The drive coupling must match the engine's geometry, splines, flanges, offset, with precision, to avoid wobble or stress. But even excellent construction isn't enough, calibration is essential. The pump must adhere to a specific fuel delivery curve, fuel volume versus engine speed or load, and the correct timing for injection relative to piston position. If either is off, engine behavior suffers. That's why it's critical to find out whether the pump is shipped pre-calibrated, if adjustment is possible, or if it's delivered in a default state requiring tuning. Next, installation considerations. A number of steps demand care and precision. Establish perfect alignment between the pump's drive interface and the engine's coupling. Even slight misalignment can impose bending moments or premature wear. Utilize fresh gaskets or seals where required. A damaged or reused gasket can lead to leaks, pressure loss, or contamination. Torque all mounting bolts to manufacturer-specified values. Both over-torque and under-torque have risks. After mounting, bleed air from the fuel lines thoroughly. Trapped air can cause inconsistent fuel sprays, misfires, or hesitation. Start operation under minimal load to check for leaks, odd noises, anomalous pressure readings, or erratic behavior. Gradually increase load to validate performance across the range. If properly designed, built, and installed, the pump should restore stable fuel flow. That leads to smoother throttle response, stable idle,